What is up, guys? Good morning. This is day 2 of my quarantine here in the Philippines. As you can see, the time is 5:30 in the morning. So, for today, chill lang tayo. Yesterday was quite stressful yung pagdating natin. Medyo maraming nangyari. But today, good thing naman naka-rest ako last night. So today I decided na gagawa na lang ako ng room tour. So for those na gustong umuwi ng Pilipinas, I'll show you around. So today we're here in New World Hotel in Makati. So as you can see naman, ganda ng view natin sa likod. Okay? So I'm gonna flip the camera so I'll show you around the room. Right? Okay. So ayun nga no, hindi pa tayo masyadong nakapag-unpack kasi medyo pagod tayo gabi. So this is yung room na binigay sa atin. So medyo spacious siya. So ito yung toilet. On the right side naman yung mga cabinets nila. So, laking space. Meron din silang ironing board na nasa gilid. Just in case gusto nyo mamlansya. Meron din silang... Wow! Meron din silang plancha. On the other side naman, wala. Empty space lang. Tapos... Bale, ito yung working table ko ngayon. Slash dining table. So, dyan ko lang nilagay yung computer ko, may keyboard, may isang upuan. As for the beds, pasensya na, medyo magulo. Yung binigay sa atin is double. Mag-isa lang naman ako dito. So, yun. Pwede akong pumili kung saan ako hihiga during the night. And, meron din tayong flat screen TV with cable. And then, phones to contact front desk, dalawa. Meron din dito mga cupboards, so pwedeng maglagay ng gamit dito. Monitor, with fire escape mask. Yun. Tapos, okay. On this side naman, mga spaces din. Yung hindi pa ako nakapag-unpack. May chill out area dito with some comfy chairs, ambient lighting, tapos may couch din dito. So, yun. And good thing, if you're coming from the United Kingdom, yung ano nila, yung wall socket nila, is compatible with our tripping. Tulad nito. So, hindi mo kailangan bumili ng adapter. But if you have one, then okay din yun. So, at least di mo na kailangan problema. There's some nice paintings on the wall. Nice painting. Isa lang pala. I think there's one in the entrance there. So, this is the view from inside my room. So, we're in Makati. Yeah, we're in Makati. So, malapit tayo sa SM Makati. Malapit sa Glorieta. So, I think we're in the 14th floor if I'm not mistaken. Okay naman. Sa baba. Not that busy of a street. So, hindi mo naman masyadong maririnig yung ingay from outside. So, yeah, you can rest well here. And over that side, like the Makati Business District, may mga tall buildings, all that. Okay, so next, puntahan natin yung bathroom, restroom, toilet, whatever. Oh yeah, so before checking in, binigyan nila tayo ng ample supply of water. May mga sanitizers din, some toiletries. So, yeah. Some mirrors. Yan. Oh, tama ako, paintings. Kasi may isa pa dito. Right, so let's go in. So, yan. So, you got your another mirror here. And may pa-bathtub si Mayor. Yan. Gusto nyo mag-bathtub? Yeah. Binigyan din tayo ng enough supply ng tuwalya. Yeah, because during the quarantine period, I don't think yung custodian papasok dito kasi naka-quarantine nga kayo, no? It's a toilet. This is the shower area. So in your 10-day stay, I think it's better na huwag kayo masyadong magkalat kasi wala, ayaw lang maglilinis. So very nice indeed. So let's go. So there's not much really. Very modern yung tsura ng room. Very ample space. And hindi lang sa space, no, the view outside the window is very beautiful, very relaxing. And mafe-feel mo talaga na nasa Pilipinas ka na. So it's a good mixture of buildings. Meron din mga puno. So yeah, you'll feel close to nature. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for joining me, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.